In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a guest from your Google Calendar event. If you've ever found yourself in need of updating your event guest list, you know it can be a bit of a hassle if you're not familiar with the process. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you step by step, making this task as easy and straightforward as possible. Let's start by navigating to your Google Calendar. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in calendar.google.com. Make sure you're logged into your Google account associated with the calendar you want to modify. Once you're on the main calendar page, it's time to find the event from which you want to remove a guest. Simply click on the event in question. When you click on this event, you'll see a pop-up with basic event details. To make changes, we need to go a bit further. Look for the pencil icon. This is the edit option, your gateway to modifying event details. Click on it and it will open up the event editing page. Now that you're in the edit screen for the event, direct your attention to the right side of this page. Here you'll notice a section labeled Guests. This is where all the invited participants are listed and where you can manage who attends the event. To remove a guest, simply find the email address of the person you wish to remove. Hover over their email and you'll see an X appearing next to it. Click on this X and just like that, the guest will be removed. It's a simple gesture that can save a lot of future misunderstandings or unnecessary notifications for your contacts. Now here's an important reminder. Once you remove a guest and click save, they will be notified that they are no longer invited to the event. So make sure you are certain about removing someone before proceeding with this step. Finally, after you've confirmed the changes to your guest list, head over to the top of the page and click the Save button. This action will update the event, cementing the changes you've just made. Google's Calendar will process this update, ensuring that everyone invited still gets the correct event notifications. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to remove a guest from your Google Calendar event. This simple yet effective management tool can really help you maintain organized and accurate meetings each time. Remember, a well-managed guest list can make all the difference in planning efficient events. Thanks for tuning in, and if you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Have a great day managing your calendars with confidence.